Foodscapes, edible landscapes for the Malaysian Tropics, because growing your own food is like printing your own money, by AZLAN MA. In Malaysia's steamy rain and stubborn soil, food isn't cheap, it's a fight. But what if your balcony, terrace, or kampung corner became a free supermarket? Foodscapes turns that idea into a working blueprint. 12 no-nonsense chapters, zero hype, all grit. Start dirty. Read your soil, clay, laterite, sand. Then supercharge it with compost and backyard terra preta, where charred husks and scraps build deep black fertility that holds nutrients and water. Stack your layers. Dwarf durian yields in 3 to 5 years if grafted. Rambutan, jambu, and papaya fill the canopy fast and keep returns flowing. Below, pack in kangkung that regrows in weeks, serai that repels pests, and turmeric that feeds both soil and kitchen. Pests are pressure, not a death sentence. Use chili spray, copper strips, and beneficial insects like ladybirds. Keep toxins out and biology in. Monsoon isn't a problem, it's an asset. Swales slow the flow. Rain barrels store surplus. Raised beds protect roots. Water becomes stored energy, not damage. Harvest early. Store smart. Cook simple. Sambal from your chilies. Curry from your own ginger. Scale comes next. Share cuttings. Run 30-minute workshops. 1 yard becomes 10, then a street, then a network. Track results in a notebook. Momentum beats perfection every time. One mature tree cuts years off your pasar spending. One shared pandan plant builds quiet cooperation between neighbors. This is not theory. This is Malaysian ground truth. Rice husk char, banana peel potassium, pandan under durian shade. Observe, adapt, propagate. Your plot feeds your body, your wallet, and your sense of control. Growing food is not gardening. It is quiet rebellion. Print your money, one leaf at a time. About the author, AZLAN MA, is a writer and independent researcher covering a wide range of subjects, including natural foods, edible landscapes, and regenerative gardening. His work examines how bioactive compounds in plants support human health, integrating nutrition science with practical, Malaysia-adapted growing systems. He advocates a food-first approach, whole, diverse plant intake over supplementation, and develops frameworks for foodscapes, self-fertilizing raised beds, culture, and regenerative soil systems. His books on gardening include Foodscapes, Edible Landscapes for the Malaysian Tropics, because growing your own food is like printing your own money. Culture, the self-fertilizing raised bed garden, a practical guide to self-sustaining beds, using wood, fungi, and regenerative soil science. Terra preta wetlands in Malaysia. AZLAN holds a Master of Arts in International Business and Management from the University of Westminster, London. When not in the garden, he prepares smoothies and salads aligned with a whole food, plant-based dietary approach.
A Writer's Manifesto by AZLAN MA. As an agent provocateur and change agent, I write to shift paradigms. Nothing more, nothing less. I draw inspiration from Robert Baden-Powell's parting words, leave the world better than you found it. I also take heed of Buckminster Fuller's reminder, not to fight old systems, but to build new ones so compelling that the old becomes obsolete. So here is my pledge. Every book I write enters the public domain the moment it is finished. No royalties, no gatekeeping. Download my work from my Telegram channels, Z Library, and pass it along. Copy it, quote it, seed it into every mind that needs it. If you gain something from these words, wonderful. Spread them freely and help someone else along their path. Should you wish to contribute, do so voluntarily. Not more than 5% of what you earn this month. The same principle as T. Harv Eker's 5th jar. Treat it as a gesture of solidarity, not obligation. Whatever reaches me goes towards my various eye treatments. Keep the rest for yourself and keep the chain moving forward. This is how we remake the world, one liberated idea at a time.
A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed now seek the skies, and slowly clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again. Its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.